How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how you can make AI generated thumbnails for your YouTube channel. So if you guys are content creators or are looking to become YouTube famous, then obviously thumbnails are an integral cog in the YouTube scene. So in this video, we'll be going over three different options for applications or tools for creating those AI thumbnails. And obviously there are those free ones out there, but it goes without saying that you get the better features and flexibility with the paid ones. So platforms, oh sorry, tools like FlexClip, Simplified, and Veed.io. However, for this video, I'm going to be explaining, or rather talking about Simplified, and I'll be going over the proper steps on how you can use this app to actually create AI generated thumbnails. So with all that said, let's begin. So doing this is a pretty straightforward process, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to actually use the AI tools to create thumbnails. And everything like the on-screen instructions should be there on the app, telling you what to do and how you can actually go about using the app to create thumbnails. So the cool thing about Simplified in this case is that it has a very large database for artwork and pictures and text and the like. So anything that stays relevant with what you're trying to generate. So you basically tell the thing, you tell the tool to create a thumbnail for, let's say, a gaming video, let's say Minecraft, right? So please create a thumbnail for Minecraft with a red sun hue background and the Ender Dragon in the back. So obviously the app can do that, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, there's so many things that you can do with it. So let's actually talk about the sign up process. So what you guys need to do first is once you find yourselves on the homepage of Simplified, you basically want to sign up and log in. So this one is pretty straightforward. Click on sign up here and it'll redirect you to a page where you'll sign up for an account. So everything here is pretty self-explanatory. And once you've created your account, you'll be given access to Simplified's free trial features. So they actually have a bunch of packages where if you go for the paid one, then you obviously get the better version of the app that comes with more tools. But if you're doing the trial one, then oh, hold on, where is it? Okay, so I guess it doesn't show here, but supposedly there's a free trial that you're able to use when you go with Simplified. So um, there are a couple of cool applications that you can use this tool for. And the one in question that we're talking about is creating AI thumbnails. So once logged in, you want to find and click on the thumbnail generator option on the simplified AI dashboard or the menu. And this is where you'll be able to create AI generated thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Now, once you guys are there, it should take you to a new page, and Simplified AI offers various thumbnail templates. So what you want to do is browse through the available options and select a template that fits the style and theme of your YouTube content. So obviously the presets for this one, or the templates, whatever you want to call it, is just like a backdrop or like a bare bone skeleton structure for your thumbnail. Now, once you actually enter the text, here's where the app will incorporate elements like pictures, subjects, and whatnot, maybe some text in the thumbnail. So the next thing that you guys want to do is once you've chosen your template, you want to customize the design elements to make it unique. So you can do stuff like change the background, add text, adjust font styles, and experiment with different layouts. So this is to make sure that the thumbnail reflects the content that you're doing and grab the viewer's attention. Now, the next thing is we're going to incorporate some imagery. So these are just a couple of the guidelines that you can put into practice when you're using this app to create thumbnails. So incorporating imagery. So you want to upload relevant images or graphics that represent your video content. So ideally, you want to use something that's high quality, as this will enhance the overall appeal of your thumbnail as well as the the quality. And simplified AI may offer a library or stock or a bunch of stock images that you can use, or you can also upload your own. So it's totally up to you. If you see something in the library that's available for use, then have at it. But if not, then you can upload your own image. Next, here's where it actually gets interesting. So what we'll be doing is we'll be utilizing the AI enhancements that are built into simplified AI. So we're basically taking advantage of simplified AI's enhancement features. So this is to automatically improve the overall design, and these features may include image sharpening, color correction, or other enhancements that make your thumbnail more visually appealing. So that's cool and all. Now, once you've done all of that, you've uploaded pictures, given it an idea, added all the elements to make your thumbnail. It's ready. You're ready to preview and adjust. Basically, doing the whatchamacallit, the fine tuning and changes before you actually get to exporting your thumbnail. So what you want to do is you want to preview your thumbnail design to see how it will look on YouTube. And the nice thing is the app actually does like I said, a little preview to show you what it would look like if it was on YouTube. So yeah, that's cool. Now, you want to make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the text is readable and that the images are clear and that the overall composition is engaging. So you want to pay attention to details like contrast and color balance. Now, once you guys are done with that, you should be ready to download and use your thumbnail. So once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, download it to your PC and upload the thumbnail to your YouTube, where you're actually going to use it for your content. And a couple of bonus tips to remember is that you want to keep your thumbnail simple and uncluttered to ensure clarity and readability. Because at the end of the day, we want our thumbnails to be to catch attention and to be easily digestible. So don't put like a big chunk of text in the thumbnail. That one's pretty obvious. And you want to use contrasting colors to make the text stand out against the background. So this is just one of the strategies that you can use to really make your thumbnail pop. Also, you can test different thumbnails over time to see what works best for your audience. So see which ones get the most engagement and go with that one. So yeah, that's how you guys can use simplified AI to create YouTube thumbnails. So if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.